Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off display flag in Snake.io. If you're playing Snake.io and want to hide or disable the display flag, then first of all launch open Snake.io game on your device. Once you're inside the home page, click on the gear button at the top left corner. Now click on the gameplay button, and inside gameplay, you will see the display flag button. Tap on off under display flag. Once you select off under display flag, you will be able to disable your display flag. Now you can get back to the home page and start playing. Now you have successfully turned off the display flag in Snake.io and are better prepared if you plan to share your gameplay on other platforms. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.